Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable Facebook account. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to the three lines on the top right. From there, head over to the settings option just right beside the search icon. And also there, head over to make the account center. And in here, you have to head over to personal details on the account settings section. In here, go to account ownership and control. And here you will find the option of deactivation or deletion. So as we want to deactivate or disable our account, well, we will need to head over to deactivation or deletion. And now select your Facebook account. Now choose or checkmark deactivate account. It says your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So tap on continue. Once you do that, you have to re-enter your password. So once you re-enter and tap on continue, your Facebook account will be disabled, or in other words, deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. We'll see you in the next one.